everyone, do you receive multiple leads every single day and replying to their inquiries manually is a very time consuming for you? You have to hire an entire team but you still miss out on many leads frequently? Then this video is just for you, because in this video I will teach you how an AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot can automatically solve your queries and how you can create this bot specifically for your business. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video I will teach you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant that is going to qualify your leads automatically, and we'll create this AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills. So without wasting any further time, let me first show you how this amazing AI assistant is going to work. So this is my WhatsApp and this is the AI assistant that I have created. Towards this assistant, I will ask my first question related to the business information that I have entered. So my first question is, please tell me about your business. So I want to know about the business, that is why I've asked this first question. I will wait for this bot to reply to me. I have received a reply. Lushberry is a premium online beauty and personal care store that offers a wide range of products including makeup, skincare, hair care and perfumes. I have received the reply. You can see this bot explaining the business and what is this business about. Okay, I have my next question, that is, are there skincare products for dry skin? So I will ask this question right over here. I will wait for the reply. Assistant take few seconds in order to send the reply, so you have to wait for few seconds. Okay, you can see in front of you I've received the reply. Yes, we offer great selection of skincare products specifically designed for dry skin. Our offering includes nourishing moisturizers, hydrating serums and rich creams. Okay, you can see I've received this reply. I will ask my last question right over here. So the question is, are there any products under 599 range? So this is my last question that I'm asking towards this bot. So let me wait for the reply now. Yes, we have variety of products available under 599. That includes affordable skincare essentials, makeup items and hair care products. Okay, you can see this assistant is automatically replying to all my queries. So this is how this amazing assistant is going to work in real time for your customers as well. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into the creation of this AI assistant. I'm already on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. In order to come to the dashboard, simply open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear. So if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us and you want to explore what Pabbly Chatflow is all about, sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features. And if you like using Pabbly Chatflow a lot and you want to purchase this amazing WhatsApp tool for your business today itself, check out the code given on the screen or add it in the description section below. Go and use the code and you will get instant discounts on Pabbly lifetime deals as well as yearly plans. Okay, go and purchase Pabbly Chatflow plan right away. Okay, I've already signed in. As you will sign in, you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to create an AI assistant, you have to just follow few steps that I will tell you that you need to follow, and automatically it's very simple to create this AI assistant. Okay, simply from the panel go towards this AI assistant section. In the panel you will see a lot of features and you might wonder how you can set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account. Don't worry, we have already created all the tutorials for you. The video links are added in the description section below. Go and check those out. Okay, so now to create an AI assistant, click on this add AI assistant button. Firstly, we have to name our assistant. For that, I will write it as, this WhatsApp AI bot qualifies my leads automatically. I am naming this bot like this. You can name this bot all according to your requirement. Okay, so I will add this AI assistant right here. The AI assistant is going to be created. Now we have to fulfill certain sections in order to complete the creation of this AI assistant. So this is the assistant and you will see these are the sections right here. There are 4 sections that we need to complete one by one. First is AI instructions, under which we have to first select the instruction type, for which I will select AI agent as my instruction type. You can select other instruction type over here according to your requirement, or else you can create a custom prompt also. Okay, now as you're going to select the instruction type, the type must have its own roles and responsibilities. You will see all the instructions over here in this section. You can eliminate or add in the points according to your requirement. Okay, next it is asking for AI configuration, under which first is what? Temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being very focused replies from the assistant to customer, 1 being creative replies. I want the reply between 0 and 1, so that is why I will be selecting 0.5 right here. AI to use, currently we have only OpenAI as our option, so I will select AI to use as OpenAI. And for the model, I will use GPT-5 mini right here. You can use other AI models according to your requirement as well. And remember one thing, over here you have to have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this assistant for your business. Okay, so do have a paid account, remember that. Next, you have to provide the API key. To have the API key, go towards this hyperlink directly. You will find the API key in your OpenAI account. Okay, so you will directly come towards the API key section from the hyperlink right here. You can create the key over here. For that, click on this create new secret key button. Name the key. Let's suppose I'll write it as new 345. Project select default. Permissions I will select all. Create the key from here. The token will be generated. Simply copy this token right here, paste over here in this field and click on this connect button. As soon as you will do that, you will see OpenAI key is saved successfully. Okay, now next it is asking for the AI assistant settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want with all these messages, the header and footer should be there, so you can add in the header message and the footer message over here in the section just by toggling the button on. Okay, next is stop keyword. So let's suppose you want to give your customer a chance of stopping this AI assistant's help. For that, simply toggle the button on and add in the stop keywords right here. Let's suppose my stop keyword is stop, so I will enter stop, press the enter key to save it. Now whenever a customer will type in stop towards the assistant is going to stop the help. Okay, next is retry attempt. If you want the retry attempt, you can toggle the button on and it will be activated. Last is fallback message. This fallback message, you can edit it right here. It's only going to be forwarded when the assistant's API key is not working, when this key is not working. Okay, as now this assistant first setup has been done, instruction setup is done. Next is knowledge source. Knowledge source is a very important part of this assistant. I will show you a document that I've created first. So this is a knowledge source that I've created for my business. Currently, I've taken the example of business Lushberry knowledge base, which is a beauty and a personal care e-commerce store. Okay, so now over here in this document, I have created a document of 21 pages. You can see right over here this long, in which I've explained about this business. What is this business about? What are the vision, mission, core? What are the type of products, name of the products? I have given the frequently asked questions. I have entered everything, budget range, everything has been entered, where I ship, what are the services, what are the policies. I have explained each and everything in this knowledge base about my business. Now, if you have your own business and you want to create a huge knowledge base, you can definitely do that. There are two types of documents this Pabbly Chatflow accepts. One is TXT, other one is PDF. If there is no page limit for text PDFs, but if there is images, the limit is of 10 pages. Okay, to upload the file, click on this button right over here. This is the knowledge base. I'll open it. As soon as I will open it, under the knowledge sources section, you will see a file has been uploaded. So let the loading be completed right here. You will see the file has been uploaded. This is the name. If you will see the vector ID, that means the file has successfully been uploaded. Okay, so I've added the knowledge source using which this AI assistant is going to know about my business and reply to all the queries that my customers or leads has. Okay, next is assistant interface. So let's suppose if you want to add in this assistant where on your website. Okay, so that the customers can directly from website ask any questions towards this bot. So over here, if you want to change the name, the branding, if you want to change the text, if you want to change the color, assistant interface and styling section is there for you. Okay, so let's suppose over here you want to add in your brand name. That is, my brand name is Lushberry, so I will simply add the brand name Lushberry right here. As soon as I will update that, you will see the interface is going to look like this. If you want to change this line, add in a new initial message or edit this existing one. If you want this powered by Pabbly to be disabled or enabled, or want a hyperlink of your business like this, you can add in the details right over here. For the footer link, hyperlink, you can add in the link. Okay, last is users first message. So let's suppose the customer is directly asking the question towards this assistant from their WhatsApp, not through the website. What will be the frequently first asked message? What will be the frequent first message forwarded from your customer or lead towards this assistant? You have to add in that message in this section right here. Okay, assistant interface completed. Last, styling. I will not change anything because I don't want that. But according to your business, if you have different brand colors, branding, if you have different colors, backgrounds, pictures, you can definitely change all of those things from here directly. So do the styling according to your requirement. Okay, 4 sections are completed. AI assistant is created. That's simple it is. Now to activate this assistant, simply toggle the button on and save the assistant from this section. Automatically, the assistant is going to be saved and it is going to be activated inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, if you want to add this assistant on your website, simply go to embedded section. You will see a script, copy the script, add it on your website code. The assistant will be added on your website as well. It will look like this. See, so over here assistant has been created. As now this assistant has been created, let us test it. And how we can test it? Again, by sending new questions towards this assistant from my WhatsApp number. So let me open my WhatsApp. Okay, so this is the assistant. Let me ask my first question, that is, do you have a physical store? So let me ask this question towards this bot. We'll wait for the reply. It will take few seconds for this assistant to reply back to me. Okay, so I'm going to wait over here. Lashberry currently operates online only. However, we fulfill and administrative locations in Bhopal, Indore, Mumbai and Delhi. If you need assistant or have any questions, feel free to ask. I have my next question, that is, do you sell cruelty-free makeup? Okay, so this is my next question that I'm asking, so I will wait for the reply. Yes, all our makeup products at Lashberry are 100% cruelty free and dermatologically tested. Okay, we prioritize ethical beauty and promote brands that do not test on animals. Okay, so I have my last question, that is, what is the delivery time for Indore? Okay, so this is my last question I'm asking towards this assistant. So let us wait for the reply. Orders to Indore are typically delivered within 2-3 business days. Once our package is shipped, you will receive a WhatsApp tracking link to monitor its status. Okay, so this assistant is automatically replying to all the queries correctly. That means this assistant has been successfully created through Pabbly Chatflow. Now, one thing, if you want to automatically assign this assistant towards all your customers or leads, for doing that, simply go towards settings and inbox settings section right over here. After coming to inbox settings, scroll down and you will see the option of AI auto reply settings. Enable this setting on from here. After enabling, firstly you have to select the contact list to whom you want to assign this assistant to automatically. You can select a specific contact list or you can also select all contacts. I will select all contacts right over here. Then over here next it is asking for us to select an AI assistant. Select the assistant from the drop down. This is the assistant that I've created and save this rule from here. Then what is going to happen? Towards all your contacts, automatically this assistant is going to be assigned whenever they will ask a new query. Okay, so now if you want to assign this assistant to a specific contact, not to the entire list, simply go towards the inbox section of your Pabbly Chatflow account. This is my chat right over here. So let's suppose I want to assign this person. Simply you will see the option of choose assistant, toggle this button on, and from the drop down select the assistant that you want to assign, and towards this assistant will be automatically, and towards this contact that is in your Pabbly Chatflow account, this AI assistant is going to start replying. Okay, so this is how you can individually also assign this AI assistant towards your customers. Now we have created this assistant, it is auto replying. That means the entire creation has now been done. Now whenever your lead is going to ask the queries, automatically this bot is going to resolve their queries and your leads are going to be converted as your customers for sure. Okay, so now this is how you create this amazing assistant, that too without need of any coding and programming skills through Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want, you can also create this assistant today itself and automate your WhatsApp conversations efficiently. Okay, if you have questions or doubts related to this assistant, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.